Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new tracking link in your AudiencePress account. So to get started, first click on AudiencePress, and when you're in the trackers page, click on add new. So as you can see in the new tracker page, there are many options for you. We have simplified a lot of this by hiding it behind an on and off button, so you don't have to worry about most of the stuff. This here, the tracker details, this is the basic stuff that you need to look at. So now let's say I want to create a new link for an affiliate product. So I'm just going to give it a name here, affiliate product. And for primary URL, I am going to put in my affiliate link here, okay? So when you add a link, we will automatically check if this link is valid or not. This doesn't affect whether you can save this link or not, but just for your reference, just in case you entered the link incorrectly, okay? Make sure you enter the HTTP part, okay? Now for mobile URL, so some affiliate products that you are promoting, for example, may give you a different landing page for mobile URL. So if you enter a mobile URL here, when your visitors visit your track or your cloaked link from a mobile device, then they would get redirected to the mobile URL, but you can leave it blank. One more thing, only the items marked with the exclamation mark that you see here are required, okay? Now for the cloaked link itself, so we would generate a random string of characters and numbers here that you can use, but you can also customize this to whatever you want. Now for redirect type, you can just leave it at 307 temporary, okay, if you're promoting an affiliate product, and the other option is 301 permanent. So 301 passes search engine ranking, while 307 redirects do not. So let me explain this. Let's say you are basically sending traffic to your own website, okay? In that case, you may want to choose 301 permanent redirect, because when you paste your links, let's say on forums or on blogs or on other sites that can pass search engine ranking, you'd want that search engine ranking to be passed to your actual page, because it is a page that you own and you naturally want it to increase in the search engine rankings. But if it's an affiliate product that you're promoting, you may just choose 307 for temporary redirect, so it does not pass any search engine ranking at all. Alright, so now let's go through the options one by one. And the first is cloaking. So you can turn cloaking on or off. Now what you're seeing here, this is just a cloaked link, but this is basically actually just a masked link, okay? Now cloaking, on the other hand, when you actually turn cloaking on, it will hide the actual destination page or URL from your visitor's browser and only show them the cloaked link here. So you can select basic cloaking type or cloaking with viral bar. When you select cloaking with viral bar, AudiencePress will display a bar that looks as if it's part of your promoted or the URL that you are promoting, although it is not, okay? So it basically overlays the bar on top of the page that you are cloaking. So basic cloaking is just basic without any viral bar, and cloaking with viral bar, you can choose your bar to be on top or at the bottom. Now as for frame content, what does this mean? Okay, so basically when you cloak a link, it is actually, it acts like as if it's an actual page itself using iframes. Now because it's an actual page, that page can actually be indexed by Google, and although it's highly unlikely, but it's possible for that page to actually get search engine rankings as well, if it's for some kind of obscure keyword. Okay, so you can choose to hide your cloaked page from search engines, which is the default option here, or you can choose to make it visible to search engines. All right, now when you choose to make it visible to search engines, then you can put in a meta title, meta description, and meta image. Now why this is needed, because when you make it visible to search engines, the page, the cloaked page, needs its own title, description, and also a meta image. The meta image is used when, let's say, someone shares your cloaked link to Facebook or Twitter, then those services will look for an image to display on their post. So when you specify a meta image here, instead of, for example, Facebook randomly selecting some image from the page, it will use the meta image that you specified here. Alright, so now let's go to the bottom, and here you see affiliate tracking. So if this is an affiliate link, you'd want to turn this on. So affiliate tracking in AudiencePress is basically passing on the unique click tracking ID from AudiencePress to your affiliate network in the form of sub ID. Okay, I recommend that you do some Google research as well to find out what a sub ID is, but basically all affiliate networks will allow you to pass a string of numbers and characters or alphabets at the end of your link after a question mark and their sub ID format. So we have a chart here. When you click refer to this chart, then you'll see the available sub IDs here and which network, affiliate network, uses those sub IDs. So you can see that many networks sometimes share the same sub ID, and this is quite common because they're all modeled or copied after each other. Now all you have to do is make sure you select the correct sub ID format. So if this is, for example, a ClickBank affiliate product that you are promoting and cloaking, then you can see here that ClickBank uses TID, so you may want to select TID. Now when you select the correct option here, at the bottom or at the end of your affiliate link, AudiencePress will automatically add question mark TID equals the actual ID of the click, and that's very important for conversion tracking. This part here I'll explain in a separate video by itself. Okay, now if you are using some affiliate network that is not listed here, you can always just find out what the sub ID format is, choose custom, let me close the chart, and now you can enter your own custom ID. So for example, if your affiliate network uses some weird ID like FID or F click, something like that. So at the end of your affiliate link that you specified above, we will add question mark F click equals to and a unique ID that you can use later on for tracking, conversion tracking purposes. Now when you select the affiliate tracking option on or off, you will also see an option for blank referrers. What this does is that it hides the referring URL and wipes all source data to protect your traffic source from being identified. Now some affiliates, especially CPA affiliates, would love to do this because they don't want the affiliate networks to know where they are advertising from. There are many reasons for this, but the fear is that if the person that you are promoting can actually find out where you're sending traffic from, then they can actually just go there and get the traffic themselves instead of paying you an affiliate commission. So if you want to click blank referrers, then you can click this as on or leave it off. It's really up to you. Now these two options here, forward parameters and forward campaign tags, are more advanced options. Basically what this means, if you click forward parameters on, any parameters that you add at the end of your cloaked link. Okay, so this is the cloaked link. Okay, so if I add any parameters, for example, my custom parameter equals to, okay, so maybe I may want to add an affiliate ID or affiliate name or some other variable that is going to be picked up by the page, I can turn on the parameter passing over there and add any parameters I want to the end of my cloaked link, and that will be passed to your landing page. Forward campaign tags, this I will explain in a different video. It works similar to this, but it's for the campaigns or customized campaign links that you create in AudiencePress. Alright, now let's get to the retargeting part. So if you plan to use retargeting networks for this cloak link, then you can turn this on, and here you will see the place or the fields where you can enter retargeting codes from Google AdWords, Facebook pixel code, ad role, perfect audience code, and retargeter. Now I do understand that there may be many other retargeting or remarketing networks out there, and the reason we did it this way is just for you, it's easier for you to understand. But in reality, if your remarketing network is not listed here, you can just paste it in any of the fields here. It doesn't really make a difference because the retargeting code is put in the same place anyway. Make sure that you copy the entire code and put it here. Okay, so now let's look at some other options that you see here for link automation. So for uptime monitoring, what does this mean? If you turn this on, then AudiencePress will at a specific interval check if this link is accessible or not. And basically, if let's say the affiliate link that you are promoting, the affiliate site is down, or the server is having issues, or maybe they have terminated your affiliate agreement or moved to a different domain, whatever it is, when we try to ping or see if that URL exists, we will get a false report saying that either the URL cannot be accessed or whatever the reason is. As long as it cannot be accessed, we will consider that the link is down, okay, and you will get an email alert, and also our AudiencePress will redirect your traffic to the backup URL that you specified here. Okay, so this is not optional. It's not compulsory. But it's optional. But it's good to have, especially when you're dealing with paid traffic sources. So you may want to make sure that the site that you're promoting, if the site is down, you are not going to lose out on the traffic that you have purchased via Google AdWords or any other services, and you may want to safely send it to a backup URL temporarily. Okay, now when the site or the link is up again, then it will automatically redirect back to your primary URL. Now you see the downtime limit here is 10 minutes by default, and 10 minutes is good enough because it's a good interval. But let's say you want to change this to 3 minutes or 1 minute, you can do that in the settings page. But bear in mind, if you change this to 1 minute, that will mean that AudiencePress needs to check this link or the URL that you enter on this page every minute to see if it's down or not, and that may increase the load on your server. So if you're using some kind of shared hosting, that will increase the usage rate of your server. It may also slow down your blog. So checking every 1 minute, I feel, is totally unnecessary, but it's really up to you. But bear in mind that it will increase your server load, especially if you keep doing uptime monitoring for every single link that you cloak in AudiencePress. Alright, now let's move on to auto keyword linking. So when you turn this on, basically what it does is that it will automatically link any keyword that you specify here into your cloaked affiliate link. So let's say this is a product that I'm promoting, and let's say it is a blue shirt. Okay, so I can enter the keywords here, blue shirt, and I can enter multiple keywords, but I have to separate it with a comma, as you see here. Alright, so I specified 2 keywords. Now what this means is that on a blog post or page, whenever this keyword appears, it will be converted automatically to a link, and this is the link that it will be linking to. You can control the frequency or how many keywords are used in the settings page. So this is useful, let's say if you have many blog posts, if you're a blogger, you're actively blogging, and now you are promoting an affiliate product. So it wouldn't make sense if you were to scan through all the pages or all the posts on your WordPress blog to find the best place to promote this product. When those keywords already exist on those pages, this makes it so much easier for you to do it, and it's automatic, so it happens on all your blog posts and blog pages as well the moment you turn this on. So if you don't want any keyword linking, of course you can just turn it off. Now let's talk about automatic geo redirect. So this is very useful for anyone promoting affiliate products or other offers whereby you get paid only for a specific audience. So let's say I'm promoting a product from Peerfly, and the countries allowed for that promotion is, let's say, United States and Canada only, okay, because the merchant or the seller, for whatever reason, does not ship outside of US and Canada. So when I start promoting this link, all other traffic except from US and Canada, I'm not going to get paid for it. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to, under redirect option, I'm going to select. There are two options here, all except selected, and that is basically to exclude the countries that you put here, or selected countries only. So let's say your affiliate product or the offer that you're promoting will only pay you for traffic from United States and Canada. So here's how you do it. You select all except selected, and you enter United States and Canada. Okay, so any traffic from these two countries would be going to the URL that you specified, and everyone else would be going to a backup destination URL that you can specify here. And you have to specify when you choose automatic geo redirect. As you can see by the exclamation mark here, this is compulsory when you turn this option on. So if your affiliate offer allows you to promote or allows traffic from many countries except one or two, then you'd want to check here selected countries only. Okay, and that will make it a bit more easier for you to deal with. These are just a few options that you can play around with. Alright, so now let's go to click limiter, and this is useful when, let's say, you want to redirect to a different URL once the Cloak link has reached a certain click limit. You can turn this on and specify the maximum clicks. So for example, if I want to redirect after 5,000 clicks, I can enter the maximum clicks here, and here we'll see how many clicks this link has already received in its lifetime. So it's 0 clicks for now. So after 5,000 clicks, it will redirect to this URL over here. Now let's go to expiration timer. By the way, if you want this to reset, you have to reset all the data in your account, or just create a different tracking link and specify a different maximum. Now if it already says 5,000 lifetime clicks here, and then you change your mind, you want to allow actually 10,000, then you can just enter 10,000. All right, so now let's go to click limit redirect, expiration timer. And this is useful, let's say, when you're promoting a product launch, and it's stated that the launch happens for the next 7 days only. Okay, and after that the cart is closed. So it gives you more control over how your traffic is going to where you're going to send your traffic to. So in this case, you can click it on and choose your expiration date. So if the launch that I am promoting starts today and ends on 12th of June, I'm going to set that as my expiration date, and after this date I can have it to redirect to a different URL, and that will help you to maximize your commissions. Instead of sending traffic to a page that is no longer accepting orders, therefore you're not going to get any commissions or make any money, you can send it to a different redirect URL, your opt-in page, or whatever you want. So lots of options here in AudiencePress, but we have simplified a lot of it, so you don't have to worry about the individual ones. As I said, the only thing, if you want to click or create a basic tracking link, the only thing you need to worry about is this part here. Everything else is off by default, and none of the features will be working when it's off, regardless of whatever you put in here. If you turn it off, it will just no longer be working or no longer in effect. So that's how easy it is to create a tracking link in AudiencePress.